Hi guys. Well, today I'll be talking to you about a thought process or a power of a thought. Okay, so anything or everything we do, it starts with a thought. Even if you have to go out for dinner tomorrow or lunch tomorrow with your friends, first a thought comes, and then you give that thought more thought or more power or more affirmations, and then you start taking actions, right? And then you start planning, calling your friends. So these are all actions on the thought ki let's meet up for dinner, and then you put the thought in their mind, and by evening or next morning you get a affirmation or everybody agrees, yeah, we can go. So it's this is an example which everybody can relate to, and it is I'm explaining to you in a very simple way that everything you have in life, you want in life, you have had in life, to a very big extent, starts with a thought. I'm not talking about the things which are not in our control, or when the school leave report, or how we finished our college, because that were decisions or thoughts taken by our parents or our elders. But slowly and steadily, the things we started, doing on our own. First, it started with a thought. So, this is the first part, that we should give power to our thoughts. Everything. Now, very simply, I would like you all to think of something which you all want, which gives you happiness. Just close your eyes, relax, sit in a comfortable position, and just think of a happy thought. It can be going to a movie, it can be a vacation, it can be a dream job, it can be relationship, okay? It can be something to do with your kids. So maybe a bigger house, a new car. When you all think, please be free to think or imagine anything, because we have got full freedom in our thoughts at least. Do not confine your thoughts, do not limit your thoughts. First step, I would like to say, do not limit your thoughts. Think to anything you want. So, if you are imagining a car, please imagine a car, and as you say, you will have to take actions on it. You will have to take steps on it, and the universe will follow. And as a result, you will get a car in your hand. So, if you all want to go for a movie which is so simple and something so easy to access, so we don't even give it a bother or don't think it is too big a deal. But let us, now it's lockdown time, let us all wish we all are seeing a movie in a theater, and we wish it every day for a few seconds, for a minute, and let us see when our wishes come true. We are all in different countries, in different phases of lockdown, and whenever any of you guys go for movies, please comment and please let me know in the comment section. Okay, this will be our first project or first task on the thoughts. Okay, so let's do this first project, and I'll be continuing this discussion in my next video. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye, take care.